am mai lansat anul acesta sau la acest eveniment este Galaxy Note 10.1, următorul Galaxy Note. Este o categorie nouă pe care noi am dezvoltat-o în piață, acest produs care este ceva mai mult decât un telefon și o tabletă, este practic le îmbină pe amândouă, cu aplicații dedicate în el. Se pot face foarte multe, se pot desena diverse lucruri, poate fi folosit în zona de arhitectură, în zona de design, cu foarte multe aplicații realmente practice. Este practic dezvoltat în urma unor cercetări în care s-a observat că oamenii încă au nevoie și tendința să țină un pix în mână și să-și noteze în stilul clasic. Credem foarte mult în acest produs, în această categorie și sunt convins că odată ce piața va lua cunoștință mai mult de acest produs, va avea un succes foarte mare și la noi în țară.
Ceva previziuni pentru anul acesta la vânzări?
Cu siguranță ne vom păstra poziția de lider în piața din România, atât pe segmentul de smartphone cât și pe piața totală. Mai spuneam undeva că, după părerea mea, în anul ăsta în România se vor vinde aproximativ 1 milion de smartphone-uri, din care, evident, mai mult de jumate vor fi vândute de Samsung. Cel mai probabil, marea majoritate a lor vor fi cu sistemul de operare Android. Și cu siguranță surprize vor mai veni anul acesta, din punct de vedere al produselor.
So this is the new Samsung Galaxy Note 10.1. One of the great features is the S Pen. This is the S Pen, and I'll start with the S Note. So in the S Note, which is an application, you have 8 things you can possibly do: a meeting note, sketchbook, a magazine, diary, recipe, travel card. To start with, for example, in the note, you can handwrite it yourself, as I'm doing, or you can type it in, or you can handwrite it yourself once again, but this time with handwriting recognition, as you can see here. Another thing you can do is you can, imagine if you are doing an equation, mathematics, you can change your background. Here you choose equation, for example this one, and the device will identify it for you and it will calculate it for you, as you can see. You can do this with equations, with formulas. Another thing it does, it recognizes shapes, so you can draw a triangle, you can draw a square, and you can draw a circle, and you can do a graphic, as you can see. Another thing you can do while you're in the S Note application is you can multitask. So you can use the S Note application and be in the video player at the same time, watching a movie or a video, or be in the internet at the same time, well, consulting a web page while you are taking notes. Another thing you can do with this pen is if you press this button and you do it like this, you will go one step back to where you were and it will save what you were doing. So, but I'll just show you, this pen has 256 different levels of pressure. So I'll show them to you in the Adobe Ideas, which is an application to draw and sketch. Oh. So, as you can see, the lighter I do this, the thinner the line is, and the more pressure I put into it, the thicker the line goes. And this is an eraser, so if you want to erase, you just have to do this. You can also use the eraser, while you're using the notes. If you are writing and you messed up, you can erase it. So to see the resolution of the screen, as you can see, it's pretty sharp. Another application that comes with the device, all of them come with a device, the S Notes, the Adobe Ideas, and the other one is the Photoshop Touch, which is a Photoshop application in which you can use a photo that you just took or a photo that you already had you can begin a tutorial, so you can learn how do you have to do it. You can choose between lots of things. You can add a tattoo, add people to images, clean up the background. For example, you can replace colors. You just have to follow step by step what it tells you to do. It tells you exactly what you need to do to get to reach your goals. And another thing you can do with this device is you can put a SIM card on it, so you can use it as a phone, you can text messages from it, and you can also use this application, which is the My Story application, in which you can write letters, send them and receive them, and when you send them, you will send them to your SIM card contact list, and the person who receives it will receive it like this, being written, what makes it more personal. You can add music, you can add photo, and you can also, for example, in the happy birthday card, you can also add a video, and that's it, basically it. It's really easy to use. So thank you.
A game or a video?
Well, a game, for example, I think everybody knows this game. It's the cut the rope. I haven't played this in a long time, but for example, you can play the cut the rope, you can play lots of games in it.